Now to this week's Ray of Hope, the story of the mustard seed communities at Jacob's Ladder in Monique St. Anne. TVJ's Kian Morgan reports.
Here at the mustard seed communities, the Jacob's Ladder branch in Monique St. Anne, blessings just keep on flowing. Its first blessing this year was in January, when it was successful in sinking a well on the property, saving it thousands of dollars it spent previously to buy water from a truck each day. The second blessing came after the community helped wards find somewhere to live after they matured out of the system. Now, the charity's latest blessing came at the opening of the St. Andrew's House of Formation. This facility will be used to train young men to become priests, deacons, and brothers in the Christian faith, while bringing about positive change to people in and around surrounding communities.
Not only feeding persons with the physical food, but we're feeding them with spiritual food. We have to have that balance.
Currently, the facility caters to 100 persons. Executive Director Father Garvin Augustine says the long-term goal is to cater to over 500 persons.
It's not just we're housing persons with disabilities, no. It's a loving, caring environment. It's an environment that will empower them. We have all sorts of training activities. There are those who actually work on the farm and work in the maintenance department, work in the kitchen. We believe that every person deserves to be treated with a sense of dignity.
The community, which 11 years ago was just 150 acres of mined-out bauxite lands, couldn't achieve what it has without the help of sponsors.
The first time we wanted to get electricity here, and I went to JPS and I said, we have no electricity here, right? And they drew the power in for us. The Canadians gave us greenhouses. UNDP gave us a pump for the well. The people who volunteer their time or take minimum remuneration for what they do. It's just so hard to put a cost to that.
Board member Thalia Lynn says people should be more in touch with their spirituality.
We have abandoned disabled children, children with HIV/AIDS, psychotic children who are like outcasts. Who is going to look after them? We are our brothers and sisters' keepers.
Mrs. Lynn says giving back also gives volunteers a ray of hope.
They come from all over the world. They come and some of them stay. What people donate is their time and their love, and you can never measure love.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.